Here I am going to solve question number 6 from exercise 7.2 for class 9. The question is as follows: triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. Side BA is produced to D such that AD is equal to AB. See the figure. So that angle BCD is a right angle. In this question, the figure is already given here. The condition just see here: AB is equal to AC. It is given. Another things, produce D, that means this is the triangle ABC is here. Now produce BA to D such that AD is equal to AB, means AD is equal to AB. These two lines will be equal. I will write it once again. I can write it as a AB is equal to AD. Okay, this thing, just change the side. So you can see here AB is equal to AC is equal to AD. It's not it. That means three lines, all the three lines are equal AD. I will write here. So these three lines are equal. Just see the in the picture. It is this line is equal to this line and this line is equal to this line. So you have to prove that angle BCD is equal to right angle. Now see how to prove. First concentrate in triangle ABC. Look at here. Just see the triangle, that is ABC. In this triangle it is clear that AB is equal to AC, so this line is equal to this line. It means that two sides are equal, and we know by the theorem that the angle opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal, so the angle B and C will be equal because these two angle are opposite to equal side AB and AC. So see here, I have denoted it as a yellow color. So if AB is equal to AC, then angle ACB is equal to angle ABC. ACB means this angle and ABC means this angle. So these two angles will be equal. Now take another triangle, that is triangle ACD. Okay, in this triangle, as AC is equal to AD, so the corresponding angle, opposite angle will be equal. So this angle means ACD and is equal with triangle ADC, this angle. So these two angles will be equal because angle opposite to equal sides of a triangles are also equal. So we get to equation or condition. Then for the third, now concentrate in triangle BCD. Just see here BCD. In this case, angle ABC, that means this angle plus this angle plus this angle, all the sum of three angle will be 180 degree. Now angle DBC can be written as a angle ABC, and angle BCD, look at here, this angle it is already written, and angle BDC can be written as a angle ADC. Okay, so the sum of these three angles is 180 degree by the angle sum property of a triangle. Now we will put the value. Now see here angle ABC. So what is the value of angle ABC? Just see in U1. Just see here, angle ABC is equal with angle ACB, so we will just put it. Angle ABC is the ACB from 1. Similarly, angle BCD, just see here, BCD can be says at a angle ACB plus angle ACD. We just put its value. Now the angle ADC, you can see in the second proof that angle ADC is equal to angle ACD. Okay, so we just put it. See here, we have already proved it. Okay, so we just put its value. Now see here 2 ACB plus 2 ACD. So 2 will be common and we can write it as a ACB plus ACD. Now see here ACB plus ACD, it is angle BCD. Okay, so we write it as angle BCD, as 2 angle BCD will 180 degree. Now 2 will divide 180 degree, that is 90 degree. So angle BCD will be 90 degree. That is the proof. So this is proof. Thank you.